Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve broadcasts not showing or not found in on Instagram. To not fix or how to solve broadcast not found in on Instagram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you'll enter to the window or to the app of Instagram and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment or 3 seconds to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem you have. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.